The Hat Man. What's up, guys? Time for the first solo phone unboxing video thing. Today is the Lenovo SoftBank 503 LV. This is a Japan exclusive Windows phone. It runs Windows 10 mobile. I got this through Syndico. Let's see, I think it was a couple years ago, so I've been sitting on this for a little while. I've messed with it already, I've already opened it. I think it was like lightly used, so there's not the plastic wrap that would have been on it. There's no stickers either, but it's complete, it's feature complete, the packaging is. So we're gonna take a look at this thing, what it comes with, and all its features. And then maybe take a peek at what we can do with Windows 10 Mobile these days, just to spice things up a little, I guess. I don't know. But before we begin, be sure to like the video with all of your might, and then blast that subscribe button, and if you be so kind, ring-a-ding-ding-dong that bell. Please and thank you. Okay, so I guess first things first, let's take a look at this box. Here in the front, it's just a nice picture of the phone. The side, nothing here, just some sort of barcode here. Over here, nothing. Over here, some information in Japanese, probably not really anything important. And then not a whole lot on the back. This is probably just your standard safety warnings and stuff. So that's the box. That was pretty quick. I guess it's time to unbox it then. Not a whole lot to it. You just lift up this part. Bada bing, bada boom, you're in. So here's the phone. I put it back how everything it was when I found it. So you get the phone, you get to slide it out like this. It came with a screen protector on it, which was very nice of the owner. Put it on for me, I believe. So you might see some scratches, but that's just from the screen protector. See right there? Yeah, so that was very kind of the seller. And then you lift this part up and you got your stuff in here. It did not come with any cables or anything, so that was kind of lame. I don't think it had cables in the package either. So like I said, it's a complete package, but doesn't really have a whole lot in it, which is weird because their MP3 players came with stuff. You can check out that old video about their MP3 players, and then I have a future one coming, so look out for that. So, it seems that it comes with a SIM ejector tool, which was not in the box, but that's not really important. So, yeah, it really did not have a cable or anything. Cool beans. So yeah, you can't really read this. There's not a whole lot to it either, so, I mean, it's an easy-to-use smartphone. We don't need to read this. Alright, let's put all this stuff to the side. Unboxing complete. I guess the video's over. Not quite. We're gonna take a look at the phone itself and what it can do and its specifications. I guess I'll give you a nice little cinematic view of the front. I might be using cinematic in a loose way. It's got micro USB here. I actually kind of like this. It's right in the middle. The headphone jack is right there in the middle. Yeah, so that's the body. Now, I'm gonna throw up the features up on the screen. So it's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 617. The CPU on it is 8 core at 1.5 gigahertz for half the cores, and the other half of the cores are 1.2 gigahertz. Then it's got the Adreno 405 for the GPU. It's got only 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, a micro SD card slot, which is very nice. The display is a 5-inch IPS at 720p. The battery is 2250 milliamp hours. Of course, it has the headphone jack. The OS, like I said, is Windows 10 Mobile, and it features Continuum, which was a neat feature that is similar to casting with Google. I don't remember if it came before casting. I digress. The back camera is up to 320/64 by 2448 pixels at 8 megapixels. The video is up to 1920 by 1080 at 2 megapixels at 30 FPS. Now the front camera is 2592 by 1944 pixels at 5 megapixels. Videos are up to 720p at 0.92 megapixels at 30 FPS. Obviously, it features Wi-Fi. The Bluetooth it has is 4.0. It has GPS. The mobile network bands are listed here. Now, let's turn this bad boy on. Let's see if it has any power. That would be a no from me. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and charge this a bit. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the phone charged. Let's enter on inside. This is the wrong time, I think. No, it's the right time. Okay, cool. I have already customized the home screen in the past, so this is not what it looks like stock, but it's fine. You got tiles, and that's all really there is to it. You can kind of move them around and change their size. Very neat, very neat. Alright, so there is something I want to show off with this. Let's see if we can get the camera to see it. When I press on the screen, just a little, you'll see ripples from the left and the right. Let me move this light. There we go. Yeah, you see that? That's every time you tap the screen. So that's not cool. I would say that's a failure of the build quality. So that's unfortunate. Other than that, the build is okay. Alright. So what else about this phone is there? Well, there are some very special exclusive apps that are in Japanese that it comes with. Let me see if I can find those. Oh yeah, just an easy list of all the apps. I installed a bunch of these. It's these three. I think one of them is like a phone transfer tool. Let's click on one. It crashed. Okay, cool. I don't know what that does. And this one, it's got a cloud icon with a book that shows a person and a phone call, so I think it's cloud saving of your stuff. Looks like it, so that's interesting. And then this one, which looks like maybe some sort of erasing tool. I'll probably translate the names of the apps and put them on the screen, so you'll know what they're called. And that's all it comes with, those three special apps. As far as performance, it's fine for a phone. I don't know that you'd want to game on it, but we'll pull up Halo, and we'll play Halo and see if it lags at all. Wait, what? I can't play it unless I'm connected? I thought I played this on my other phone without being connected. Alright, well, let's try the other one. Why do I have to be connected for these games? I thought I beat these games on the phone already. After the Xbox games connection crap was cut off, I thought. Maybe I'm misremembering. Alright, I can't really test its graphical capabilities. If you're gonna get one of these, you're probably just a collector anyway. So yeah, there's not a whole lot that you're gonna want to use this for. I tried using it for texting and calling, and the bands are not compatible with T-Mobile. It has LTE and all that, but it just doesn't support the same range, so I couldn't really use it as a phone, from what I remember. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've got to say about this guy. He looks good, and he's not very useful. Ah! And it's a Lenovo smartphone from the Windows Phone days. So yeah, I guess that's all from me. If you liked this look at this phone, drop a like and subscribe and all that. And in the future, I'll look at more stuff. You can also comment and let me know what else you want to see me do with these phones when I look at them, and make suggestions on how I can improve if you have any that are constructive. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully this one isn't too short. Alright, see you later. Oh, and yes, things to come.